Hello, my name is Geeta Bansali and I practice integrated therapy work. By integrated therapy work, I mean I combine different modalities to facilitate one-on-one sessions and group sessions. So today we are talking about voicing and voice movement therapy. I use this extensively while conducting my sessions. I learned this therapy from Trish Watts, who is from Australia. Now, what is voice movement therapy or voicing? Just the way babies have sounds, the way they express is through sounds. This is exactly that, expressing ourselves fully and freely. So, voicing or voice movement therapy allows you to access sounds, different kinds of sounds that are hidden within us, and it enables you to give expression to all parts of ourselves, now whether they are unheard or unseen. How is it done? How is this voicing done? It is done by using words, sound, breath, music, songs, movement, journaling, sometimes even silence. Silence speaks a lot. So any kind of expression is actually voicing. There have been times that clients are not able to express through words. Sometimes they can't express hidden anger, hidden sadness, hidden pain through words. Just the way a child shouts when he's angry, when he or she is angry, they're not saying, "I am angry." They scream in anger. Exactly the same thing. Sometimes, just the way children express through art, when they draw something, that's their expression. So voicing can be used through art, through poems. There are different forms of expression. So I practice this different forms of expression in my therapy. In therapy, whether it's one-on-one or group sessions. So what I mean by voicing, it allows us to access hidden shadow parts of ourselves, the hidden emotions, the hidden thoughts. It helps to release emotional and physical pain. It helps to release energy blocks. So I practically use voicing in almost every session because I feel everyone needs to express. If anyone wants to feel free, expression is a must. So I use voicing a lot. And let me give you an example. Recently, I conducted a session for a client who had lost her sister, and she was not able to express her hidden pain, the pain that she was carrying within. She was like a stone. So what I did with her was I asked her to draw her pain, and she drew a boat and she wrote a poem. And when she spoke those sentences 3 to 4 times, after that she burst out in tears, and that's when the emotional release happened. So this can be used, so voicing can be used for inner child work, for body work, for working on diseases, for trauma work, practically anything, for relationship work. So yeah, voicing is about expressing ourselves fully and freely.